Look at how many things in this room were made in a factory. Look at how many children in this room and imagine how many cars and motorbikes it took for them to be here. And imagine how much air pollution the factories and the vehicles make. Do you know what air pollution is? Air pollution is when something releases CO2, like when a car releases gas or a factory releases smoke. How air pollution started. You're probably wondering when air pollution started, how air pollution started. Basically, air pollution started ever since people or the earth started having fire. Because, as we know, fire releases smoke. That is basically the same thing as air pollution. So here's Earth, the planet we live on. This is the ozone layer. It protects the Earth from getting too much heat from the sun. If we didn't have an ozone layer, we would have too much heat from the sun. If we did have too much heat, we would get skin cancer and the vegetables won't be able to grow and we won't have any food. As you can see, the ozone layer is very important for us so that we can live. So here's the factory. I'm just showing you an example of what causes air pollution to make the ozone layer not work. So let's say the factory was right there, and about like South America. You probably know that. So the factory releases its air pollution. Air pollution goes up to the ozone layer, and it stays there. When air pollution is in the ozone layer, it is just like a piece of glass. It lets the sunlight in but doesn't back off enough heat. The extra heat would lead to global warming, which is really bad for the Earth. Now, as you can see, air pollution is very harmful to Earth because it causes global warming. But actually, global warming isn't the only thing air pollution causes. It also causes very, very dangerous diseases, such as asthma and bronchitis and cancer. The things that are in this dangerous air are soot, dust, and fume particles. This is how the air is polluted in China. You could hardly see the sky. And if people breathe the air really often, they will get lung cancer. You can help make air pollution smaller by just doing simple things. Here are some things you can do to help make air pollution smaller. Instead of riding a car, you could walk instead. When you walk, it won't release air pollution like a car does. When you need to cool down, don't use air conditioner. Use a fan. You don't need fossil fuel to use it. There's lots of other things that you can do to help reduce air pollution. Spread the word. Tell your friends. Tell your parents to help reduce air pollution.